Hey guys, welcome to my Hamilton Khaki Field mechanical unboxing. Been eyeing this watch for a while and I finally got it. This is probably the first luxury-ish watch that I've ever bought, and I'm quite a fan of field watches, so let's see how it comes in the box. So just open it up here. We have like quite a nice little wood finish box. I think it's probably made out of cardboard. I don't know, it's pretty heavy. So we open it up here. There we go. There we go, we got our watch. Ooh. Now I have actually opened this up before, and that's why the watch is running. When you receive it, this crown is pulled, so the seconds hand should be stopped. If not, I guess not a big deal. Just wind it up and you'll be good to go. It comes with this cushion, and it's got a nice finish. The rest of the box is just this little padding, and you get your Hamilton warranty. I bought this at a store in Montreal, so it just has the stamp of the store. If you don't have the stamp of the store, you can't claim warranty on this thing, so be aware of that. So if you buy from someplace like Joma Shop, it wouldn't come with manufacturer warranty, but I honestly I would not let that keep you from buying it from there. I just found a better price from an official retailer, so I took it. Now it also comes with the instruction manual. There's a whole variety of languages here. And it seems to be a universal instruction manual for all kinds of Hamilton watches. Let's see if we can focus. There we go. Of course, the movement we have is a mechanical watch, or just mechanical movement, and it's fairly simple. There's no complications on this, and that's kind of my preference of. I prefer simple watches. All right, to access the back of it, you have officially adjusted your NATO strap. Now you can basically, right at the beginning, pull it as much as you want and store more of it underneath the watch. For smaller wrists, I think you'll need to do that. For bigger wrists, not so much. For me, since I have a pretty small wrist, I don't want the end of the strap kind of sticking out, so I store a fair amount of it in the back. But if you're not into that, you can always buy another strap for these guys. They're very cheap. It's a pretty common watch, so you can find those online very easily. But yeah, thanks for watching my unboxing / first impressions video. If you like it, give it a like. If not, I guess don't. But yeah, this is what a Hamilton Khaki Field looks like. Thanks for watching.